Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie yen. Alright, so what I have here is the Aussie yen on the daily, and we see that price has actually made a low here and then pushed higher and made a high here. So we can actually make use of this movement and do a retracement. I just want to show you guys something. Low to high, and we see that price pulled back and is testing and reacting above the 23.6%. So this can definitely be our support level. Alright, so remember this is the daily 23, and let's go back to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, okay, we see a price made a high, made a low, made a higher high. This technically can be considered a higher low, right? So we can expect price to make a higher high, or at least, right, come back to somewhere in the middle. Okay, so we can also use a retracement from the high to the low, because this is one completed move. And we see that there's this graphical overlap here at 50%, so that can be our intraday take profit. Of course, for those of you swing traders, you can have a take profit all the way at the last swing high, even if you want it to be there. Alright, so we have a take profit here. We have our support at this level over here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Right, I want to show you guys. On the 1 hour, we see the price is actually pushing slightly higher, connecting all these lows with a trend line. Okay, you actually have a very nice bullish trend line. So what we can expect price to do, even if I were to take this zigzag 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 with Fibonacci extension and open all fibs, okay, I'm thinking that our intraday take profit could very well be at a 200%, right, over there. Okay, so this is a graphical level that lines up on the 4 hour. Okay, that also lines up with Fibonacci on the daily and also the 1 hour Fibonacci. So we're pretty sure that price is going to go higher, but what we need to do is we need to look for a nice entry level, right? So we can see that price is actually coming to test the last swing high. Okay, so for those of you sorry, for those of you who want to get in on the trade early, right, you can actually wait for a break and a close above this. Okay, so this can be one possible entry level. So you wait for an entry above this and then you just play up, close above this, and you play all the way up. Otherwise, for me, being a bit more risk averse, okay, I'll take a retracement of the last movement. Okay, and I'll be looking at the 61.8%. Okay, 61.8% is because that is where the Fibonacci level is in line with the ascending trend line support. Alright, so I'll wait for entry to be somewhere here, wait for price to pull back. This works out to be a very nice risk-reward ratio. Of course, this last swing low will be our stop loss, right? So it's a bit wide, okay, but I'm expecting price to push all the way up towards this take profit level. Okay, last but not least, we can also look at stochastics. Okay, 21 is a bit too sensitive. Maybe look at 34. Right, we see that we can draw a trend line over here, right, something like that, and we see that every time price taps this trend line or comes close to it, right, there's a strong reaction in price. Okay, so technical indicators confirm this as well. Alright, but it's Friday. If you guys don't wish to hold your trades over the weekends, then it's best to sit this one out. Otherwise, you can enter with a small position size, alright, and take this intraday trade. So thanks everyone for your time today. I wish you guys all the best. Take care, trade safe, and I'll see you guys next week.